how to retarget your entire database using Facebook ads. So this has been an absolute game changer for me and my team. We now have built up a massive database in our real estate industry where we have over 11,000 people in our database that have used our website to search for homes for sale in my market. So one of our secret sauces in order for us to boost our conversion higher than anyone else is we retarget these people on Facebook for absolute pennies on what it costs to bring people back to our website and to remind them that our website is the best tool in order for them to find their home. And the reason why I believe this is so valuable is I've experimented with everything from making our team do a ridiculous amount of manual follow-up, from calls to texts to dripping out people our YouTube videos, where I found just spending a small amount on Facebook to retarget these people was the easiest way to bring old leads back to our website and to stay top of mind without being too annoying to our database. So I believe in these retargeting ads so much that I'm going to be breaking down step by step to teach you guys on how you can use Facebook retargeting ads to increase your conversion on leads. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. If you're someone that's doing online lead generation but not getting the results that you want to and would like for my team to take over your marketing, well, go in the description, fill out that form, and if you end up being a right fit, we'll reach out to you to schedule a call in the next step. But let's dive into step by step on how you can set up retargeting ads on Facebook. So you're going to want to grab a pen or pause this video because I'm going to be showing you some game-changing AI tools that I use to create these ads, where I was literally able to do it in minutes instead of it taking me a couple days to complete these tasks. Step number one is using ChatGPT in order to create the copy for your ads. So I put in there, hey, I'm looking to make some Facebook retargeting ads to get people from our database to use the website again to search for homes for sale. Come up with 3 different taglines for these ads. It spits out some. I said, make 10 more and add clone a home search into them. And then I say, make 5 more, but talk about how easy the website is to search for homes for sale. Simplify your search effortlessly. Find your perfect clone a home with us is what the one I ended up deciding to do. So I found my tagline. This literally took me probably about 3 minutes in order to do it with ChatGPT. If you're someone that's struggling trying to use AI, don't quite know and find it overwhelming, well, go to my Instagram, shoot me a DM, and I'll give you access to the top tool and I'll teach you how to use AI effectively. The next thing that we use, and this is going to be a little bit mind-blowing, is a tool called Midjourney. I'm going to put a plug out there right now. This is a little bit hard to set up and do correctly. You have to set it up and then link it with Discord. But the type of images that it creates in order for you creating ads is mind-blowing. So it's going to take me longer to explain how this all works than for you to actually create an image that you can use for this retargeting ad. So for all my other ads, I used to spend days and days trying to find the right image, using copywriting, going through my old listings, trying this, trying that, to just really find what I think would work. Where now I can just type it in, create a very realistic photo of a home in Kelowna, camera angle straight on the front of the house, need to be able to see the front door of the home, have the camera angle straight on, and have a blue sky and make it V4, which is very realistic. And this is what it created me. Like, how amazing is that? So in literally me typing that out, it probably produced this image in a minute. I then went over, then after getting that image, I went over to Canva and I inputted the image into it and then put Kelowna home searching made easy as the tagline in our ad. Boom. I got my copy, I got my image done, and it literally took me 5 minutes to do all this stuff using AI. Okay, the next step that we're going to be doing is now we're actually in the ads campaign. We're going to be creating the retargeting ad. So what you're doing for here is you're trying to do traffic. So we're trying to get as much traffic to our website as possible. So now we're in the ads campaign. I'm going to go through exactly what you need to do to have this set up first correctly. So now we're in the ads campaign, and this is going to take you a bit. I'm going to explain the audiences, but as you can see, the Kelowna home source retargeting, it's literally costing us 63 cents to bring people back to the website. This is absolutely amazing. We've had 26 of our past people on our website already go back to using our website right off the bat using these retargeting. So I'm going to first go over the audiences that you need to set up in Facebook in order to get this going. So what I did is I imported the list of the over 11,000 leads that we had in Follow Up Boss. So I'll just show you that correctly here. So right now, currently in our database, as you can see, we got 11,458 leads. So what I did is I created an audience and I uploaded that directly to Facebook. So everyone that follows has their information on their Facebook account, we're going to be able to retarget them. I retarget everyone that signs up as our lead form. I retarget everyone that goes and interacts with my Instagram, my business partner's Instagram, that signs up on other lead forms, people that interact with my Instagram videos, people that go to our Mortlock Will Facebook page, etc., etc. And then I retarget everyone that's been on our website the last 180 days. You have to build all those custom audiences on the back end before setting this up. And it's relatively easy. You just click in here, create a custom audience, and go to customer link. In terms of installing the right pixel on your website, in order to retarget those people, you'll have to reach out to your customer support to make sure you have all that stuff set up correctly. So once you got all your audiences made out, we are going to create a traffic campaign because we're going to be retargeting these people. I'm going to manually do this to set up the traffic. I just call it our website name. I already have one, Kelowna. That's what I mean. Like in terms of leveraging the ability to go back at other people, as you saw, it's costing us 60 cents in order to get people back to our website. Why not spend that money just to boost our conversion? So then keep having our database think that our real estate website is what they need to use in order to find their home. We are in the special ad categories, so you got to select housing, and none of this other stuff you have to worry about. Next, I'll call this again, Kelowna Home Source Retargeting. So what we're doing is we want website traffic. So starting off for people, if you're in the slower season, you really don't have to spend a ton of money. You could go $5-10, but for the first couple months to get everything going and allow Facebook to take over on their absolutely amazing algorithms to hit these people up, I did a $20 budget a day just to get the boots going. And then I've just dwindled down that budget over time. Okay, so here's where you add your audiences. As you see, you come in here to the custom audiences, and I would click every single one of the ones that I've signed up. I have the people from our Real Geeks website, Follow Up Boss, lead form, Instagram, Facebook page, our website. I would add every single one of those people into are those my business partners, Instagram. The whole idea of creating that omnipresent marketing is now people are going to see us everywhere. Okay, perfect. So now for placements, I will manually do this again. It does suggest run A/B test, compare, manual set. But what I like to do is remove audience, remove messenger, and just tap Instagram. And then I'll go into the feeds here. I'll take this off Facebook Marketplace, and then I'll search results. I take it off and I go to next. So this is where like the beauty of AI comes into play. Like I'm already going to be able to crush out this ad instantly just from having all those leverage points in order to do it. That was probably what would take me the longest all the time, coming up with the image, coming up with what to say. But now I'm able to bump that out really, really quick. Okay, so let's go to add image. I already used the photo that we made. So Kelowna home searching made easy. Look how beautiful that pops out. Really sticks out. It's a nice house. People are going to be interested in that, especially in my market here. So now for the primary text. So this is where we go back to ChatGPT. Go in, simplify your real estate search. I would also probably install a couple emojis here. So yeah, simplify your real estate search. Effortlessly find your perfect Kelowna home with us. Kelowna Homes for Sale. Don't have to do any more A/B testing. Now we just go to our website. Oh no. I always put this on the newest. Once again, we're not trying to do any browse out add-ons here. We don't want any calls. We want strictly just people to go back to our website. Then we install the tracking again. We have the Kelowna Home Source tag going to our data set there. App events too. We have that for our website. And then you just hit publish. And that is exactly how you create a retargeting campaign in order to target your database. This is going to increase your conversion probably about 50%. So that means if you're converting, say 1 or 2% of what you're currently getting on every 100 leads that come in, and you up that by 50%, now all of a sudden in my market, making another potential like half a sale each and every month has just added $6,000 per month to my bottom line. With only spending, say you go $10 a day, that's $300 to make an extra $6,000 in terms of boosting your conversion by 50%. It is absolutely a no-brainer why you do these Facebook ads retargeting. And I just showed you step by step on what you need to do in order to execute this on a high level and how to use AI tools to literally do it seamlessly. But if you're someone that wants my team to take over your marketing and see how we do it better than anyone else, well, then go in the description there below and fill out the form and we'll reach out to you if you're right fit. But if you're someone that wants to start adopting the AI tools to elevate your real estate business and see exactly how, instead of me having to work 190 hours a week to hit my real estate goals, I'm able to do things in 50 hours a week now because of adopting AI into my business, go to my Instagram, shoot me a DM. I'll invite you. I'll send you my top AI tools that you can learn from me to see how you can implement them into your business.